tips para makaiwas sa mga ganito, lalo na sa mga palaging naglo-long drive. Panoorin nyo to guys. Okay? Yan. Kita nyo yan. Maling-mali yan. Yan ang napakadelikado. Alam nyo naman, importante yung buhay natin. So, para makaiwas sa ganito, panoorin nyo to.
I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burning moment. I've learned to live my life beside you. There's a dream of you tonight, and if into my dream you come and touch me once again. I live a dreaming till my heart exhales.
So, ayun. Mag-concert ka mag-isa mo. Very effective para hindi tayo antukin sa biyahe. Okay, sana may natutunan. Follow and share.